LiveChat Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this LiveChat Affiliate Program Review. If you're interested, you can find the links to LiveChat's products in the description below. Let's jump into the details. LiveChat is a powerful live chat software designed to help businesses engage with customers in real time. It allows you to communicate with visitors on your website, answer questions, and provide support instantly. With real-time chat, ticketing systems, and features like chatbots, knowledge base integration, and customizable chat widgets, LiveChat streamlines customer support and boosts engagement. It's especially suitable for e-commerce sites, customer service teams, and businesses looking to improve their customer satisfaction. The LiveChat Affiliate Program offers a great way to earn commissions by promoting LiveChat's suite of tools. If you have an audience involved in e-commerce, digital marketing, or customer support, this program is tailored for you. The program targets businesses of all sizes, whether you're promoting it to small startups or large enterprises that want to enhance their customer service operations. One of the standout features of the LiveChat Affiliate Program is its generous commission structure. Affiliates can earn recurring commissions for every customer they refer. The software is known for its reliability, which leads to high customer retention rates. This means affiliates benefit from not only an initial commission, but ongoing income as clients renew their subscriptions. Plus, the program offers an attractive 30-day cookie window, which gives affiliates enough time to convert leads into paying customers. LiveChat provides affiliates with a range of marketing materials, including banners, links, and tracking tools to help promote their product effectively. The platform has a well-established reputation for customer service, so affiliates can promote it with confidence. Businesses in various industries, from retail to tech, are looking for tools to improve customer interaction, making this affiliate program a valuable opportunity. In conclusion, the LiveChat Affiliate Program offers a lucrative opportunity to earn commissions by promoting an excellent customer service tool. With its competitive commissions, reliable software, and excellent marketing support, it's a great fit for affiliates looking to promote live chat solutions to businesses. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details, and thanks for watching.